You crack your knuckles.
Ugh, not again.
What? It's satisfying.
It's disgusting.
Stop! You'll get arthritis.
Plot twist? That's a myth.
So what actually happens? Inside your joints is a slippery liquid called synovial fluid.
Your click, when you pull your fingers, the pressure drops fast.
That creates tiny gas bubbles, and then pop!
That popping sound is what you hear.
It's just bubbles being dramatic.
One man cracked the knuckles of one hand for 60 years. The result? Same arthritis risk in both hands.
Why can't you crack them again right away?
Because the bubbles need time to reset.
Next time someone says don't crack your knuckles, tell them it's just bubbles. Loud, but harmless.